Yeah, they can just...
Come in here, Aiden. Oh! It's true.
He's on film saying, the toboggan. Okay.
Where will we go?
Get on there. Here.
Get on, Aiden. Get on. Climb on.
Just pull him a little bit, you know. Give him a little ride. See, that's all they need, Dan. Okay, Daddy. Oh, get in, Aiden. Daddy will pull you.
Okay, let's go back up there now.
Not at heads on, Aiden.
Come on, Aiden. Nudge.
I got it. Run. Whee! Okay, guys, we're all done. Say bye to the camera.
Okay, well, one more run. One more.
One more special treat.
One more. Let's go back.
His shoelaces are all untied. We have to thank Brian for the toboggan.
Okay.
All aboard, mateys! On the board, mateys! That means all aboard, guys.
Here we go.
Okay.
Yay! Hey, let's wait. What'd you say, Aiden?
It's snowing.
You want to keep snowing? Okay, a little longer. A few more minutes of snowing.
What's Daddy?
You-
I got one for you! Let's give it for one. It's raining snow!
Audrey, what is it? What should you say if it's raining snow? You should say it's snowing.
It's snow. Let me go home.
You want to go home, Aiden? Okay, you're cold. Okay, time to go. Okay, let's go. Say bye, snow.
Bye, snow.
We had a good time. Okay, let's go.
Bye, snow. See you tonight.
We'll see you later. There he goes,
And
the
the
frozen
last
boy.
snowball.
Dan, did you hear him?
What?
He was doing great, and all of a sudden he just started crying. Time to go. Uh-oh, one more snowball. He's got his gumption back. He's got it back. Whatever you do, guys, don't get mommy. Whatever you do, don't get mommy. Is it hurting? Okay, let's go. Audrey, okay, hold on.
Are you ready to go now?
Yeah.
Didn't you like playing in the snow?
Yeah.
But we were there long enough, and you're ready to go now?
Hold on. Okay, say goodbye from
Bye-bye.
Yosemite 2002.
Yosemite 2002, that's it.
Yosemite 2002.
Here we go. Say it again. You do it. Say it. Say it.
Say boo-boo.
Audrey.
Okay. Woo!